Hi everyone! This month is about celebrating joy and sharing your happiness with your loved ones. Since we don't want to celebrate this month by being sick, we're going to give you some pre-holiday tips on how to boost your immunity. We have decided to extend the immune system subject to this week as well, and to provide you more details about the products that Forever offers. Some of you will be traveling this month and will be rejoined by your family and friends. So it is important to take some health precautions in order not to get sick. We're going to give you some health tips in order to boost your healthy lifestyle, and you can do it in a period of 1 to 2 weeks in order to boost this immunity. So why not start today? You should start your day by squeezing 1 lemon and put it in a cup of warm water. Then you should, before going to the shower, try to scrub your body and exfoliate the dead skin. Third, while showering, try to alternate between hot and cold water. So do 30 seconds of hot water, then 30 seconds of cold water. Fourth, try to limit direct contact or physical contact with people. Then you should always try to include 1 cleansing juice a day. You can add to it some aloe vera juice, or you can add to it some ginger, lemon, or garlic. You can also try to take 5 minutes of deep breath before going to sleep, just from your nose. And lastly, as we mentioned last week, try to go to bed earlier than usual, and so you can relax your whole body. There are a variety of products that Forever offers as well in order to boost your immunity system. First product is the Forever Absorbent C. It contains high level of vitamin C, which helps your skin and helps fight against the flu. Now, Sylvie is going to talk about the precautions of this product.
Now I will give you more information and more details about the absorbent C or vitamin C. I want to start by mentioning that smokers need to increase their daily intake of vitamin C, as smoking by itself lowers the level of vitamin C in the body. Same applies to people who consume alcohol, especially if they have other medical illnesses, as alcohol makes the body or causes the body to excrete more vitamin C in urine, and hence deficiency may occur, and these people may require longer time to correct this deficiency. Now, for people who take iron supplements, I recommend to take your iron supplements along with vitamin C, because vitamin C simply increases the body's ability to absorb the iron, and hence you will get more benefit. Now, regarding the daily requirement, I will advise you to take 1 tablet 3 times daily. You can take 1 tablet with each meal. Now, let's talk about some precautions we need to know before the use of absorbent C. In the case of pregnancy and breastfeeding, it is safe to consume vitamin C orally in the recommended doses. For infants and children, it is also safe to take vitamin C as long as it's taken in the recommended doses. For people with kidney disease, please avoid the use of vitamin C, as it may increase the amount of oxalate excreted in urine, hence increase the possibility of kidney stone formation. Now, for diabetic people, consult with your doctor prior to taking vitamin C or absorbent C, because it may increase your blood sugar levels. For people with Alzheimer's disease, I advise you to consult with your doctor before taking any supplements, and especially vitamin C. For people undergoing surgery, it is very important that you stop taking any food supplements prior and immediately after surgery, as it may interfere with the healing process.
The second product is the Forever Lyceum Plus. This product contains licorice, which is a very powerful antioxidant herb that helps with the eyesight and with the skin. Now, Sylvie is going to talk about the precautions of this product.
For the Lyceum Plus, the recommended daily intake is 1 tablet 3 times daily, so you can take 1 tablet with each meal during the day. Now, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, it is best to avoid the use of Lyceum Plus during this period, because some studies show that Lyceum Plus may cause uterus contraction, and it's always good to stay safe and avoid use. Now, if you are diabetic patients, Lyceum Plus may lower your blood sugar levels, especially if you are on other sugar-lowering medication. So please ask your doctor before you start on Lyceum Plus. Same applies to if you have low blood pressure, because Lyceum Plus may lower your blood pressure levels, especially if you are taking other antihypertensive medications. So consult with your doctor first. Now, if you are allergic to certain products like tomatoes, peaches, nuts, or even tobacco smoke, you may experience some allergic reaction to Lyceum Plus. So also consult with your doctor.
Lastly, we have the Forever Bee products. First is the Forever Royal Jelly. It prevents hair loss. Then we have the Forever Bee Pollen. And lastly, we have the Forever Bee Propolis. Now also we have another product, which is the Forever Bee Honey. It is made from natural honey that gives you constant energy. Now all these products are high in antioxidants. They are also high in vitamins and minerals. They help you fight against flu and colds. They also help with the lung function in case you are a smoker. And lastly, they gives you also energy, as I mentioned. Now Sylvie is going to talk about the precautions of these products.
Now for the precautions part. Bee products generally contain soy and tree nuts, almond. So if you are allergic to any of these, please avoid the use, as this is the biggest safety concern. Now I want to talk about bee pollen and pregnancy. Using bee pollen in pregnancy is possibly unsafe because it may stimulate the uterine contraction. For bee propolis and royal jelly in case of pregnancy or breastfeeding, doctor's consultation is recommended. If you are an asthmatic patient, then bee propolis may make your asthma worse. Now, if you have a scheduled surgery, I recommend you stop using bee propolis 2 weeks before your surgery, as this may interfere with the healing process afterwards. I want to assure you that anyone of you taking any kind of chronic medication for any reason, you should first consult with your doctor before starting any food supplement. And that's it for this week. Stay safe, guys, and enjoy your holidays. I am Cyril, the pharmacist.
I am Yin, the nutritionist. Don't forget to like the video. Bye! Hi everyone, my name is Gina Adaga. I have recently joined Forever Living Products Middle East as a nutritionist.
Hi everyone, I am Cyril. I'm a pharmacist working as a regulatory assistant at Forever Living Products Middle East.
For a start, I would like to make sure that each and every one of you are following us on the following social media accounts for weekly advice and tips on how to look better and feel better.
To begin with, I want to brief you a little bit about our company. Forever Living Product has been in the health industry for the past 40 years. Its products are generally derived from the natural, well-known aloe vera plant. The products of Forever Living range between the famous aloe vera drinks, the gel, and nutritional supplements. We have some skincare products, essential oils, personal care products, weight management products, and bee products.
As you all know, your body is the only place you're going to be living in forever. So guys, you have to make sure that you're taking good care of your forever. Now, today I will be talking about a very important topic, which is cleansing. How many of you have started a diet and then you just stopped losing weight suddenly, or your body went into a plateau effect? Have you ever wondered what was the problem? As a nutritionist, I would like to assure you that the problem is not from you, and there might be lots of other reasons for this plateau effect. I will be stating a few reasons. For example, first, you might be taking hidden calories from food, like just some salad dressings or fruit juices. Second, you might be taking the wrong quality and quantity of food. Third, you might not be exercising enough, or you're not doing enough cardio exercises. Fourth, you might have high levels of free fatty acids in your body, and whenever you have high levels of free fatty acids, you will be having insulin resistance, and that won't help you lose the fat. And fifth, your metabolism might be really low. Now, what's the solution? Forever Living Products has the solution. First, you need to start exercising regularly, 3 to 4 times a week for 30 minutes minimum. And second, the best solution, which is the aloe vera gel. It cleanses your whole body. It has high levels of vitamins. It helps to reduce your cholesterol and blood sugar levels. It helps to hydrate your body, and it has high level of it gives you high level of energy. You can also mix the aloe vera gel with any kind of drinks you like, for example, your coffee, your fruit juices, or just water.
Now, with all the benefits Lean just mentioned, I just want to add that Forever Living products received a certification by the International Aloe Science Council for the purity of the products. However, it's always good to be careful when starting a product for the first time. Well, in the case of the aloe vera gel, I will advise you to start with a small amount just to make sure you're not allergic to the product. Now, I will guide you through some special conditions where you need to be extra careful. First is diabetes. The aloe vera gel may help you decrease your body sugar levels, but I will advise you to consult your doctor prior to using the aloe vera gel, and he will advise you if it's the best time for you to start on the product. Second is heart diseases. The aloe vera gel may be beneficial in decreasing your bad cholesterol levels, but again, I will ask you to ask or to consult your doctor prior to starting the product. The most frequently asked question is about pregnancy and lactation. Well, you cannot use the aloe vera gel in those conditions, as it may cross the placenta and reach the baby in the pregnancy, and it may be excreted in milk during lactation. The last thing I want to mention is surgery. Whenever you have scheduled surgery, please stop using the aloe vera gel 2 weeks prior to your scheduled surgery. And that's it. I want to just remind you to always consult your doctor prior to starting any food supplements.
Stay tuned for our weekly advice and tips. I am Nada, I am the nutritionist.
I am Sibyl, the pharmacist and regulatory assistant.
If you liked our video, please show us a thumbs up.